Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 16, Endorsement in blank and in full. Section 16 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 explains the distinction between two important forms of endorsement: endorsement in blank and endorsement in full. This provision clarifies how negotiable instruments are transferred and how the rights of parties are determined based on the nature of the endorsement. 1. Endorsement in blank. Section 16, 1. An endorsement is said to be in blank when the endorser signs his name only without specifying the name of the person to whom the instrument is payable. An endorsement in blank is characterized by the appearance of only the endorser's signature without any direction for payment to a specific person, thereby rendering the instrument payable to bearer. Once an instrument is endorsed in blank, it may be negotiated by mere delivery, and any person who lawfully possesses it becomes the holder without the need for further endorsement. For example, if a check payable to A is signed by A on the back without mentioning any name, it becomes payable to bearer and any person holding it may present it for payment. 2. Endorsement in full. Section 16, 1. An endorsement is said to be in full when the endorser signs the instrument and adds a direction to pay the amount to, or to the order of, a specified person, who is known as the endorsee. An endorsement in full is characterized by the endorser clearly mentioning the name of the person to whom payment is to be made, whereby the instrument remains payable to order and further negotiation requires endorsement and delivery. For example, if A writes on the back of a check, pay to B or order, and signs his name, B becomes the endorsee and the endorsement is regarded as an endorsement in full. 4. Meaning of endorsee. The person specified in an endorsement in full is called the endorsee, who becomes the holder of the instrument and acquires the right to receive payment and to further negotiate it unless such right is restricted. 5. Section 16, 2 Rights of endorsee. Section 16, 2, provides that the provisions of the Act applicable to a payee shall, with necessary modifications, apply to an endorsee, meaning that once an instrument is endorsed in full, the endorsee enjoys rights similar to those of the original payee. Accordingly, the endorsee may sue in his own name, further negotiate the instrument, and enforce payment against liable parties, thereby ensuring continuity of rights as the instrument passes from one holder to another. 6. Legal importance of Section 16. Section 16 is significant as it clarifies how endorsement affects the negotiability of an instrument, determines whether it becomes payable to bearer or remains payable to order, defines the rights and status of an endorsee, and promotes certainty in banking and commercial transactions. 7. Practical significance in banking. Blank endorsements enhance ease of transfer but may increase risk if the instrument is lost, whereas full endorsements provide greater security by specifying the intended recipient, and banks therefore carefully examine the nature of the endorsement before processing payment. For more details, contact us.